Guys, it's Jalissa. So I just discovered this blow dryer and I am in love. It brings two different nozzles, one for a smooth blowout and the other one for a more focused airflow. I like this thinner nozzle because it gives me a more accurate airflow and I'm able to concentrate it more on my very curly roots. I like to blow out my hair with the highest heat setting and speed because, let's be real, these curls can get very challenging to straighten. It does bring 3 different heat settings and speeds. I also really like how this has a very long cord. It's over 8 feet. Like, that is so long and it comes so in handy, I promise you. But yeah, guys, you can find this hair tool on Amazon, and honestly, I think it's totally worth it. I mean, my hair looks so smooth and I only did a blowout, no straightener. I am shocked. Anyways, check it out. I'll leave all the details below.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity.